Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you something really quick, really easy you can do to your print Pressions B6. I added in this little folder and I asked on my Instagram stories if you guys wanted to see how to do it. It's super fast, super easy, and I wanted to show you guys how to do that really quick. This is my little notebook that I'm taking with me to CPC in just a few weeks, and then this is my social media planner. This folder is actually a classic size Happy Planner folder. That is the one with 9 punch marks. I just cut it down. I laid it under a piece of paper like this to kind of get the general size of, the B6 and cut along like that. And I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. But this morning, it dawned on me that I actually had mini Happy Planner folders. I thought I had some, but I couldn't find them yesterday. These are actually the perfect size. You just need something like washi tape or some decorative paper or whatever you have to cover up these punch marks and tape it in. So I'm going to show you how to do that too. Now, if you don't happen to have Happy Planner folders, there are tons of tutorials on YouTube that show you how to make a paper folder out of scrapbook paper, out of cardstock, anything like that. I'm pretty sure you can do this whatever you happen to have on hand. So for my social media planner, I'm just going to show you how to tape in one of these little mini HP folders. You can pretty much get these anywhere you want, or not anywhere you want. You can pretty much find these anywhere. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's. They're pretty affordable, and especially with a coupon, you can usually get a pretty good deal on them. I actually have, this is all stuff from my stash. So I'm just going to line it up right here where the binding meets. And I'm going to, half of the tape being on the folder and half of the tape being on the paper. I'm going to do that all the way down just so it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to do it on the back as well. And now you have a little folder. How cute is that? Boop. So the mini HPs, highly recommend those. And doesn't really add a ton of bulk or anything in there. Now I'm going to show you how to do the classic size that I did here. I didn't want anything to interfere with this area, so I actually just cut right down to here, cutting all the punch marks off and leaving just a little edge right there. And then kind of just put it in here. The bottom of the folder is going to still be the bottom, so you kind of want to just put like a page behind it to kind of get your general measurements and cut. Like so. And now we're going to do the top, just kind of see where we need to cut it. I'd rather it be too big at first than too small. Making sure everything is nice and even. Still need to trim the top. All right. And let's make sure everything looks good. I need to kind of even that out a little bit. Once you have it cut down to the size, you're going to want to tape this area that is now been cut open. Just use some clear tape and go along the side like this. And go all the way down. And now you can just tape it in like that, right here where the seam meets. Now, I also tried to do this with my PP Weeks. And I ended up having to cut a folder down like this. I used a classic Happy Planner folder because the mini folders were too short. And I didn't really have a good place I wanted to tape this in because I had my year at a glance right here. Now you could tape this in right here on these pages, or you could tape it in the back as your note pages if you wanted to. But I also thought it would be really kind of cool just to kind of, you know, if you need to, obviously this isn't going to hold a lot. So if you want to put like a receipt, or, you know, like you need to keep some movie tickets or anything relatively small like that, or like a coupon or something, you could easily just, you know, pop it in and that be that. You don't necessarily have to tape it in. So I thought that was a really cute idea too. That is how you can add a folder to your PP Weeks and to your B6s. So again, you know, this is just things I had on hand. I definitely highly recommend the mini HP size if you're going to go this route, if you happen to have those on hand. And like I said, there are tutorials that show you how to make folders out of scrapbook paper and cardstock. Definitely really easy, really fast, you know, super simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.